Hey guys, we're going to do another lesson on cursive writing. Alright, we have learned about half of the letters so far. We've learned all of the circle letters and about half of the pointy letters. That was, I think, 10 letters altogether, I think. So let's go over real quick the letters that we've already learned. Remember, we've learned all of the circle letters. Circle letters are made with circles. Remember, just circles. If you can make a circle, you can do a circle letter. We learned O's. Remember? Start at the top, go all the way around, give it a little arm at the top. And we learned A, it's the same thing. Start at the top, go all the way around, but then you come back down and give it the arm down here. We also learned a C. It's about like half a circle, gets an arm. We also learned D, which is just a circle, go all the way around. You're going to go all the way up, back down, and give it the little tail down there, a little arm. We also learned G, which was a circle. Then you're going to go underneath the line and make a loop this way and give it an arm. And then we also learned Q, which was a circle. Go down, and the arm goes, and the little loop goes this way. See the difference? Remember, the G goes this way, goes to the left, and the Q goes to the right. Alright, and then we also learned some of those pointy letters. And remember, a pointy letter, if you could make like a line that goes like this, those are pretty much all you have to do to make pointy letters. So remember, we learned I. You start at the bottom of the line. This time you go up, you come straight back down, give it the arm, and you dot it. There's our I. We also learned T. We start at the bottom, go straight up, come straight back down, give it the arm, and then you cross it. There's our T. We also learned U and W. So U, you just went up, straight back down, and then you go up again and straight back down. There's your U. And then we also learned W, which is almost the same thing. You're going to go up, straight back down, up again, straight back down, up one more time, and give it the arm up here. There's our W. And if I remember correctly, we wrote 4 words last time. We wrote dog and cat, and then it and dig. So just to go over, remember how we write a word, all the letters in a word are connected with those little arms. So if I was going to write dog, it's a circle letter, so I make my D. And then I need to go up and all the way back around for an O. And since the arm's up here, I'm going to start the G here. Up and around. There was dog. Alright, and cat. Half our circle. Go up. Go all the way back around and down for our A. And then back up and straight down. Cross it for our T. Cat. And then it was pretty easy. We went up, straight back down for an I. And then up and straight back down for a T. And then we're going to go dot and cross it. And then we also wrote dig. So there's another D. We go up and straight back down for our I. Around underneath the line, and the loop goes this way for dig. So there we go. We got dog, cat, it, and dig. Alright, so are you ready to learn the new pointy letters? And then we'll know all of the pointy letters. Alright, so I'm going to switch to this one. Nope, this one. Here we go. And let's learn the rest of our pointy letters. There we go. The first pointy letter we're going to do today is going to be R. So it's a pointy letter. It starts at the bottom. It's going to go up. But this time we don't come straight back down. We go over a little bit and then we come down and give it an arm. That's an R. So we go up, over, down. Up, over, down. Up, over, down. Let's see if we can make a whole row of R's. Up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. There we go, a whole row of R. Okay, let's try S. Alright, a whole row of S. Now, an S is also a pointy letter, but it's made a little different than the I, the T, the W, and the U, just like R. It goes up, and then you're going to go around and give it like a big fat belly, and then come out for an arm. That's an S. It goes up, goes around with a big fat belly, and come back out for an R. There's our S, arm for the arm. So up, big fat belly, arm. Up, big fat belly, arm. Up, big fat belly, and the arm. Up, big fat belly, and an arm. There's our S. Up, big fat belly, and an arm. Up, big fat belly, and an arm. Whole row of S. Those S's don't look anything like a real S, does it? No, this one doesn't. And our R's don't really look a whole lot like an R, do they? Some letters look almost exactly like they do in print, and some letters look very different. Okay, so we are ready for J. And remember, you can always pause me if you're not ready to move on. Pause me and wait till you're ready. Alright, J. J is a pointy letter, so it's going to go up and it's going to come straight back down like I and T. But it's going to go under the line and make a loop like a G, and it gets a dot. That is a little J in cursive. So up, straight back down, give it the loop, and a dot. Up, straight back down, go under the line, get a loop to the left, just like a G, and give it a dot. Up, straight back down, loop with a dot. Up, all the way under the line, loop with a dot. Up, go down all the way under the line with a dot. Up, straight back down, all the way under with a loop. That one's not so bad, is it? There you go. We're going to try to do a whole line of J. There we go. Alright, and then we just have one more pointy letter to do. And it is P. And I think this is probably one of the hardest letters to make. It has a lot of steps to it, or a lot of different things that you need to do to make a P correctly. I know that sounds funny. But, so please watch carefully when we make these P's. Alright, it's going to go up and down just like an I and a T. Except it goes all the way under the line. It's going to come this way. There's our circle for the P and then an arm. That's kind of tricky, isn't it? Let's try it again. Up, go all the way down under the line, make your loop, come back and make your circle for the top of the P and give it an arm. So up, all the way down, give it a circle. There you go. Up, all the way down, give it a loop and a circle. It's not so bad, is it? And notice I'm not picking up my pencil or my pen until I get all the way done. Up, all the way down, make the loop, then the circle, and give it an arm. And see, once you learn how to do it, you can go a whole lot faster. I know, shh, I'm coming.
He's not asleep anymore, he's awake.
I know he's awake, I'm coming, okay? Sorry, guys. Alright, and we're going to practice one word, because the baby's awake and I got to go get him. So, we'll practice one word, and then this will be the end of today's lesson. So, what word could we write that we haven't already written? Maybe with some of these new letters. What about... What about part? Like a part of something? Like P-A-R-T, part. That one would be a good one. Alright, so part. P all the way down. Now we got to make an A. A all the way around. Go down. Now we need an R. Goes up, over, and down. Then you got to go up and straight back down and cross it. There's the word part. Let's see if we can do a whole line of part. So up, down, under the line to make the loop in a circle. Whoops, I'm not sure what my pen did there. Hold on, I'm going to fix that. Looks like it's doing weird things. Okay. It's not letting me pick it. There we go. Alright, so I went up and I went down and I made a loop and now I need a circle. There we go. And then I go up and around for an A. Up and over and down and then up and down. Cross it for a T, part. And I'm going to do one more. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. There we go, part.